Hi everybody, this is a tutorial on the while loop in C. So first, as you can see, I've already written the code, and yeah, let's just start off. So this is the main function. This is where your program execution will start. And then we have this int I is equal to 3. I is basically a variable. I have initialized it to a value 3 and it is of data type int, short form for integer. Next we have the while loop. So it starts with while, of course, and then you have a condition that you give inside the brackets, pardon me. In this case is I less than 8, and then you open flower brackets or parenthesis. You open flower brackets and you print, and this prints the sun rises in the east, and it increments the value of I by 1. This is basically a post increment operator which increments I by a value 1. And then this is the end of the while loop, and this is how you close it with a closing flower bracket. And we have the get ch, of course, which is required so that your output screen doesn't just flash and vanish. So what this basically does is it will run this loop, the while loop, until this condition is satisfied. Once this condition is not satisfied, the control comes out of this while loop and executes the immediate next statement after the while, in this case the get ch. So now, since I have initialized the value of I to 3, let's plug in the value here. So 3 less than 8, which is of course true. It will print the sun rises in the east with the new line character. /n is an escape sequence, which is basically a new line character, and the next time this function printf is executed, it will print the sun rises in the east in the next line basically, and then I increments by 1. So the current value of I, the present value of I, is 4. So now let's put 4 back again to the while loop. 4 less than 8, true. So it will print sun rises in the east and increment I again to 5. So when you put 5 here, 5 is less than 8, which is true again, and it will print sun rises in the east. And it increments I by 1, and now the value of I is 6. So this will happen until this condition is not satisfied, and that will happen when I becomes 8. So when I is 8, let's plug it in there. I less than 8, which is nothing but 8 less than 8, which is false. Hence this loop will not be executed, and the control shifts to the get ch. So now let's run this program and verify the result. So as you can see, the sun rises in the east has been printed 5 times because we have initialized the value to 3. We have initialized the value of I to 3, and this loop will execute until I becomes equal to or greater than 8. Sorry. Yeah. So as you can see, the sun rises in the east has been printed 5 times, and every time in a new line. So this is how the while loop will execute. You can try different things. In the next tutorial, I will show you how you can do this, using a for loop. That's it from my side, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.